In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the title and meta tags in your GoDaddy product. Like making small tweaks in your car engine for better performance, altering these little digital bits can have a significant impact on how your website connects with search engines and, potentially, the number of your site visitors. So let's kick this off by logging into your GoDaddy account. Just as an artist needs their canvas, you need your GoDaddy tool to sculpt and refine your creations. After logging in, proceed to your products page. Think of this page as your workshop, where all your tools are lined up ready for action. Once on your products page, your next task is to locate the option titled Websites plus Marketing. This may feel like a search for a needle in a haystack with all the options laid out. But as they say, patience is the key to success. Click the Manage option next to your site. This is a lot like choosing the right guitar string to tune. It's an important move, and we want to make sure you've got it right. All right, now you've got down to the nitty-gritty. The editing stage is where the fun really begins. In the top right corner of your editing space, you'll find that little gear icon. Click on it, and find yourself in the settings arena. In this settings arena, like a musician choosing the right sound effects, select the option that says, Get Found on Google. As they say, most roads do lead to Google, and this one's no different. The magic potion to your website's reach lies tucked away behind these few clicks. Now, from the drop-down menu, pick the page you wish to sprinkle some magic dust on. This is a lot like picking your favorite dish from a large spread. You know there's one that you really want to shine. With your selected page in hand, you can now venture into making modifications. This involves defining a new headline for the browser title and editing the description for the meta description. Think of the headline as the front door to your house. Make it as welcoming and captivating as you possibly can. The meta description, on the other hand, should be like a sneak peek into the house, offering valuable insights for anyone passing by. Finally, having made these adjustments, click Done or save your changes. This is the digital equivalent of polishing up your furniture. You have rearranged and redefined. Now it's time to let it shine. And there you have it, your pathway to changing your title and meta tags. Just like that, you're one crucial step closer to optimizing your website's reach. The world of GoDaddy is vast and exciting, with numerous tweaks to explore and the promise of increased audience interaction. Happy experimenting!